guys, Frndly Tech with CFL-TECH. I'm on the Roku subscriptions page with some special seasons savings. We have some big names here. Now this will be linked down below if you want to sign up for any one of these services. With Apple TV there, BET Plus, Stars, Hallmark Plus, Frndly TV, and Howdy as featured options. It's tough to pass these deals up with these specials going on right now. There are 30 plus subscriptions here offered with special rates. So what do we have? We have the featured ones here like Howdy. 99 cents per month for 2 months. Frndly TV, 30 days for free. Now we know Roku purchased Frndly earlier in the year, and now they are able to offer such an exceptional deal for 30 days for free. Apple TV, 3 months for free. Hallmark Plus, $1.99 for the first 2 months, so $1.99 per month. What a deal with that. With the holidays and all of those Hallmark movies, you want it, you got it. And you also have Lifetime Movie Club on the Roku channel, $1.99 as well per month for 2 months. So the specials are right here to sign up for if you want to take advantage of these deals. They will be linked down below. You have the Stars deal as well on the Roku channel. $1.99 for 2 months there. Not $10 or $11. It's $1.99. BET Plus, $1.99 as well. And you have Up, Faith and Family, $1.99 for 2 months. What a deal with that one as well. And you have Fubo as low as $45.99 for 1 month. So check that out. Movies and TV, all reality, $1.99. Dove here is 12 months for $1.99. So that's a really long 1 year special, $1.99 per month for 12 months for the Dove on the Roku channel. Aspired TV Plus is on here too. 99 cents, not $1.99, 99 cents. Then you have Sundance Now, $1.99 for that one. And as you can see, there are more options as well. Even up here, A&E, Crime and Central next to Fubo, $1.99 for that one as well. So they have quite a few here, 30 plus deals going on right now. International's on here too. So you want international, VIX Premium, you want it, you got it. $1.99 there as well. Then you have Kids and Family, Play Kids, Learning right there, $1.99. You can't forget about the kids options. Plenty to choose from right here. So very nice to see. And they have the terms down here if you want to see what they're about. Check these out. Eligible subscribers only. The Roku channel offers end on 1/2/26 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. But there are some exceptions here. When you look at the Apple TV offer, that ends on 1/19/26. Frndly TV offer ends on 1/5/26. So you have a little more time for those. Now, if you select any one of these, let's just go in and do one of these here to show you. So Apple TV, it'll bring you to a page here showing you redeem deals directly on your Roku device. If you don't have the app installed, follow the steps below. So very easy to understand. So follow these steps for your Roku device so you can get set up going with these special rates. Follow the prompts to subscribe once you select those. So very nicely done here with the layout, very easy to understand. Again, this will be linked down below if you want to take advantage of these special offers. Maybe you missed the specials for Black Friday or Cyber Monday and thought you were shut out. Now you're not. If you have a Roku device and Roku channels here, you are good to go with the special rates. So let us know your thoughts on these deals. Are you taking advantage of any one of these? Maybe multiple deals? Let us know. If it's your first time here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also the notification bell so you know when the next video drops in CFL-TECH. Also hit that thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. It's also greatly appreciated. Hopefully you found this video helpful for the holiday season. Get some Hallmark Plus action, Lifetime Movie Club. Watch those holiday specials. Hopefully we make your holiday more special with these options. Let us know down below again if you are subscribing to any one of these. Frndly Tech checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.